One of the key elements of the Canopy project is the convenience and lifestyle that comes with these beautiful architectural homes. Metro, an Australian-owned private company, has been developing projects across Australia for over 15 years. The project is positioned moments away from Crow's Nest Village, a bustling and vibrant neighbourhood, St Leonard's train station and the soon-to-be completed Metro line. Working closely with Creation Projects, an established and award-winning builder of medium-density developments, and the multi-award-winning Corbin Architects, the team has hit the ground running, and we have seen huge progress on site this year.
Now, following Metro's success at its recent projects, the Nines and the Greenwood Terraces, we have noticed a demand for downsizers who are looking for low-maintenance living, but are not yet ready for apartments. These beautiful, spacious, 4-bedroom residences with house-like proportions and exquisite finishes are designed to cater to that market, with private lifts and small gardens, all in close proximity to Crow's Nest Village and the surrounds. Construction is well underway, with the structure and roof now complete and windows having been installed. Detailed fit-out are currently taking place with the tiling of the bathrooms and installation of flooring and the project joinery. Canopy is due for completion in mid-2024. Please contact myself, James Downing, or my colleague Alex Hilston to find out more.